Hello mga kamatrigal! How can we multiply integers? We only have two rules. The first rule is, if we have like sign, the answer is always positive. The second one is, if we have unlike sign, the answer is always negative. Let's have some examples. Here, as you can see, they are the same positive. Therefore, the answer is positive. Positive 3 times positive 3 is equals positive 9. Here, as you can see, they are both negative. Therefore, they are like sign. The answer is positive even they are both negative because they are like sign. Now, negative 3 times negative 3, the answer is positive 9. Here, we have different signs. The first one is positive and the second one is negative. Therefore, they are unlike sign. And if we have unlike sign, the answer is negative. So, positive 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. And last, because they are different signs, the first one is negative and the second one is positive, they are unlike sign and the answer is negative 9. It's very easy, right? Bye!